What's up, Tigers? Welcome back to another episode of KTTV. We're your hosts, Addie
and Delaney. Class officer elections end tomorrow at 4 p.m. Voting is online. You can use the QR code on your screen or the link in the class Canvas course.
Are you struggling? September 5th through 11th is National Suicide Prevention Week. It is a myth that suicide only affects people with existing mental health conditions. It takes a lot of courage to open up about your mental health. If you're struggling with suicidal thoughts or know someone who is thinking about suicide, please let a trusted staff member or adult know. You can make an anonymous report in the Speak Up app as well. Additionally, you can ask to see the school counselor or any school social worker using the QR code on your screen.
This week's Theme Friday is Swamp Out the Gators, so wear camo or safari gear and be loud to support our Tigers. We are having a pep rally this Friday. Wear red, a KHS Spirit shirt, or safari or camo gear to get in for free.
Tomorrow is our first Fun Food Friday of the year. Breakfast items are breakfast tacos or a bag of donut holes for $2 each. For lunch, there's Chick-fil-A sandwiches for $5, Marco's Pizza $2 a slice or $12 a box, and there will also be assorted soda, candy, chips, and cookies for $1 each. You can pay with cash or credit card. Monday is the Katy High School open house at 6 p.m. Make sure to tell your parents and encourage them to come meet you and your teachers.
NHS members must attend one of the meetings this month. Your last chance is tonight at 6 p.m. NHS induction will be on Wednesday, September 29th in the PAC at 7 p.m. They would love to see some of our teachers there too if you're available. If you're artistic and interested in joining the National Art Honor Society, please drop by any art teacher's classroom in the D Hall to pick up a copy of the NAHS application.
KBBC will be selling cheese and pepperoni pizza during all lunches today. Pizza is $2 a slice or $12 for a box. Payment options are cash, credit card, and Venmo. Now for sports with Elisa.
In sports action this week, the sub-varsity football team take on the Dickinson Gators. JV is at home and freshmen are at Dickinson. Games start at 4:30 and 6:15 p.m. JV tennis is playing Maid Creek here at home and matches start at 3 p.m. Tomorrow, cross country competes at the Clear Fall Invite in League City. Races start at 8 a.m. Varsity tennis will play Foster High School at home at 3 p.m. and volleyball will play at Seven Lakes. The matches start at 4:30 and 5:30 p.m. Varsity football plays the Dickinson Gators at 7 p.m. at Dickinson. Be there and be loud. See you there. That's all for today, and have a great weekend, Tigers. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter at KHS_live.